Hi everyone, Nick here, looking at Lexmark's new CX310dn A4 colour multifunction printer. This is the first model in their series of new MFPs, so let's take a closer look at what you get for your money. Okay, this machine can print, it can copy, and it can scan to several different locations. It doesn't fax, and although it can double-side print, it does not double-side copy. So if you need either of these features, please check out our CX410dn video. Okay, let's see what this machine can do for its money. You get very good print quality with Pantone calibration to make colour matching a doddle. There's USB and network connectivity, coupled with PostScript Level 3 emulation for maximum compatibility. Make sure to install the latest firmware from the Lexmark website, and you'll also have Apple's AirPrint protocol on board so you can easily print from your iPad. There's an easy to read 6cm or 2.4 inch colour LCD control panel helping to simplify usability, and the whole thing is powered by a dual core 800 MHz processor to help make waiting times a thing of the past. Right, let me now show you around the machine. Right, we've brought the camera in a bit closer now, so let's take a look in detail at the CX310dn. So the first thing you'll notice is the automatic document feeder here on top. So you've got your glass platen if you need to scan something that's perhaps stapled together or a book, as well as the automatic document feeder itself just to handle plain sheets of paper. Now, as well as the auto dot feeder, let's have a look inside the machine. So, first of all, the paper tray. You can change the size to accommodate many different types, but A4 is what we've got it set to. You've also got the bypass feeder here at the front. This is just a single sheet bypass feeder. And to get to the toners, there is a switch here on the right hand side. When you squeeze the switch, the lid lifts up and it locks into place like this, so you're not going to trap your fingers while you're getting the toners out. So the toners simply pull out like so. You'll notice a common theme with the Lexmark design. They do have printers that work in exactly the same way. So there are the four toners. You can pull the front of the printer down like so, and here you have access to where the paper comes out and through and out of the back of the machine. If you get a paper jam, you can access that from there. And then let me just get round this side. This side panel comes off. So when we take the side panel off, like so, we can get to the waste toner bottle, which comes out just by pushing the green switches. This is empty. When it fills up, you buy a new one from Printerbase and you can slot it back in quite easily. You also have here the imaging kit. Now, we have talked about this previously. So the imaging kit is what actually puts the toner onto the paper itself, and they do last quite a long time, so most users won't need to replace them. But you can see that if you do need to replace them, they all come out very easily and slot back in. I'm not going to go into too much detail on these units here, but we do have a CS310 video, which is just the printer version of this multifunction machine, and I go into quite a lot of detail in that video. So take a look if you are interested in the inner workings of this machine. So let me just slot this all back together now for you. This just hopefully gives you a bit of an idea of how easy this machine is to maintain. So they're all colour coded. So this is the magenta, and that one goes into the magenta slot. Okay, the black is in there, yellow, as you can see, it doesn't matter which order you put them in, and cyan finally. We'll pop the side door back on, close the front. As I said, this is locked, so all we do is squeeze again and it goes down back into place. Let me just spin the machine round for you, just to take you for a walk around the machine. It's quite heavy and it has rubber feet, so it is difficult to spin round. There we go. So here's the back of the machine. We've got the network connection there, USB, and if you go for the Wi-Fi dongle, that just plugs in there. Power socket in there. Spin it around a bit further, and you can see the power switch there on that side. I think that gives you a bit of an overview of the machine. If you would like more information, then obviously get in touch. We're going to now look at the machine printing. I've now set this machine off printing our standard samples, which it's merrily blasting its way through. If you want to see these close up, get in touch and we'll post a set out to you. If you would like to find out more about the Lexmark CX310dn machine, then please visit our website at www.printerbase.co.uk or call us on 0800 170 7234. I'm Nick and thanks for watching.